Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Alright, so in this tutorial we're going to be talking about levels. What is levels? Levels is a basic tool that is used in Photoshop to correct exposure, and it's basically a tool that helps make your picture look a whole bunch better. And some people use the levels, some people use the curves. I personally do not use levels, and I never use an auto feature in Photoshop. I never use auto levels or auto contrast or auto color. I do everything manually. So here's a picture I took of a dog, which is already perfectly exposed. The picture is already done to the max. I don't want to add any more levels or curves to it, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you what levels does. So as you can see, the shortcut for levels right here is Command L or PC Control L. So you want to go ahead and click levels, and you're going to get this dialog box that pops up. Basically, you have the option of changing either every color channel in your picture, or you can go into your individual channels, which is red, green, and blue, and change the different hues in the photograph separately. But for this, we're just going to use the RGB. Right here is your histogram, and the sliders that are in there are the sliders that are going to be used to fix the levels in your picture. So if you click and drag this one over, it's going to darken your image. And more than likely, it's going to mainly darken your shadow areas, and it's not going to touch too much on highlights. If you click and drag this one, it's going to brighten your picture, just like I'm doing here. And as you can see, I could probably make my picture look a little bit better if I drag the levels over just a little bit, but I like the way it looks. There's also output levels, and this mainly changes, it mainly has to deal with the outer pixels, not mainly having to do with, as you can see, it's kind of hard to explain, but just look as I turn this one over to the right, it darkens more of the shadows. If I bring this over, it's kind of like lightening your image, and the outer pixels that are not having to deal with the real darkness of your image, it's kind of brightening up. If you move the output levels to your left, it kind of darkens everything. It's kind of a weird, funky thing that I never use, and I'm not too sure how that would even be in use, but this is basically it. I mean, you got other options here. You can enhance your monochromatic contrast. You can enhance the per channel contrast. You can find the dark and light colors. A lot of stuff that I never use because I don't use levels a lot. So, in a nutshell, this is levels. Thanks.